Now this is an alligator saw. You have to use 2 hands, and each of the hands click one of the things, and this opens up. When you do this, can't do it with one hand. When you open it like that, see it opens up, but my chain came off. So this is what you do when the chain comes off. You take a 1/2-inch wrench, you unscrew these, then you can open this. And you can push this in. And if it won't go on, then you can take this whole thing apart. Undo those. Don't lose them. Take this off. Let's see, perhaps this is your problem. You put one side on first. Hi. Make sure your teeth don't blow out of your mouth when you do that. You line it up. And it should just go right back on, but perhaps it won't. There you go. Okay, and then when it gets on there, put this back on. And you want this pulled out, and the spring on it will hold it out.
How are you ladies doing?
Hi, we're good, Margaret. How are you?
Good.
Mom's very busy.
I see that.
Working in the sunshine where it's hot.
I thought you left.
Me?
Yeah.
Not yet. Not until, I think I go about on the, I have to be home on the 13th of May. So I'll probably leave about the 7th or 8th. Give me time to take my leisurely time at getting there. Don't want to be in a rush.
No.
No.
So you picking up some weeds?
Yes.
Good.
She's wearing herself out. But she's getting them.
Big roots.
I think the weeds always have stronger roots than the grass.
It's nice to see your grass green. The people before you cut it so short. They were just always getting dust up.
Yeah, when you would mow it, I'd have to go in the house because it was just dirt. There was no
Well,
grass.
we put down weeds and